Chapter 7. Breaking news. Good and evil are just survival strategies. That's right, folks. According to totally scientific evolutionary theory, morality isn't real. It's just a biological illusion created by your brain chemistry to help your ancestors not get eaten. Murder. Not actually wrong, just not currently beneficial for the species. Stealing. Bad if you're the victim, but totally fine if it helps survival. Helping the poor. Just another genetic mutation to make humans cooperate. According to evolution, there's no objective right or wrong, just whatever helps genes pass to the next generation. Which means, if stealing, lying, and cheating ever became the best survival tactic, guess what? They'd be morally good too. But hold up, why do atheists still act like some things are truly wrong? The evolutionary morality paradox. Evolutionists claim morality evolved purely for survival. Okay, let's test that theory with a totally scientific caveman experiment. Caveman A shares his food, helps the weak, and risks his life to save others. Caveman B takes all the food, pushes the weak off a cliff, and only cares about himself. According to pure Darwinian survival, who should win? Answer: Caveman B. He gets more resources. He removes competition. He passes on more selfish genes. But wait, isn't that evil? If morality was just about survival, why do humans instinctively see selfishness as wrong? If morality evolved to keep humans alive, why do people admire sacrifice, generosity, and love things that often reduce personal survival? Maybe, just maybe, morality isn't about survival at all, but about something higher. Just believe it, bro. The evolutionary morality problem. Now, before you ask, has anyone ever proven morality is just a survival tool? The answer is no. But don't worry, the experts have a brilliant response for you. We don't know how, but it happened. Trust us. If you doubt it, you just don't understand science. It's a social construct that helps species cooperate. Translation: we have no real explanation, but shut up and believe us anyway. Society decides morality until you disagree with it. Some atheists argue, morality is just a social contract. Great. That means society decides what's right and wrong. But here's the problem. If society decides morality, was slavery okay when most societies accepted it? If society defines right and wrong, was Hitler just following Germany's morals in the 1940s? If morality is just a survival mechanism, why do people die for what's right, even when it doesn't help them survive? Here's the truth. If morality changes based on social trends, then morality is meaningless. But wait, atheists still think some things are always wrong. Why? Because deep down they know morality is objective, not a social contract. If morality is just evolution, why do atheists get mad? Have you ever noticed that atheists love talking about morality? Religion is evil. The Bible is outdated. You can be good without God. Hold up. If good and evil are just evolutionary illusions, why do atheists argue about them like they actually mean something? Atheists say morality is subjective, but argue as if it's objective. That's like saying, taste is just personal preference, but pineapple pizza is wrong. If morality is just brain chemicals, then no action is objectively good or bad. It's just neurons firing in someone's head. So why should we care about their opinions? Example: why this is impossible. Let's apply evolutionary morality to real life. Imagine two people debating whether murder is wrong. Person A: murder is always wrong. Person B: no, morality is just brain chemistry. Wait, stop right there. If morality is just brain chemicals, that means murder isn't truly wrong. It's just another random neuron firing pattern. You can't actually say anything is evil because it's just a survival strategy. Any moral disagreement is meaningless because it's just one brain fizzing differently than another. This is what's called a self-refuting worldview. It destroys itself. If morality is just survival instinct, then there's no such thing as justice, No true right or wrong, and no reason to even have laws. But funny enough, atheists still call things right and wrong all the time. The Bible had it right all along, while atheist scientists keep rewriting morality to fit their survival theories. The Bible has had the answer from the start. Romans 2:15, the law is written on their hearts. That's why we all instinctively know right and wrong. Micah 6:8, do justice, love mercy, walk humbly with God. Not do whatever helps you survive. Isaiah 5:20, woe to those who call evil good and good evil, like moral relativists. Meanwhile, science says, dude, morality is just an illusion, but let me tell you why you're wrong and I'm right. Yeah, no thanks. Final thoughts. Who's really trusting science? Science depends on order, truth, and logic. Evolution says morality is just an accident of survival. Atheists argue as if morality actually matters. But they still say good and evil don't exist objectively. So tell me again, who's really trusting science here? If you believe some things are truly right and truly wrong, guess what? You just admitted morality isn't just a survival trick. It's real and objective. But don't worry, the atheists will be back tomorrow, using absolute moral claims to prove that morality is just a social construct, while cashing their research grants.